So, hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about grep command, which is used to find the rows where one particular word is present or not. Okay, I'll give you an example. This is my folder structure right now. Okay, I just want to see my f1.txt file contents. So these are the contents present inside the file f1.txt. Okay, let's say I want to find the rows where Java is present. I can give grep. Okay, then the word that I want to find, at Java, then f1.txt. We can see only the row where Java was present in all lowercase was like displayed. But what I want all the rows where Java is present, like ignoring the case, it will be displayed. Then I can give the flag hyphen I Java f1.txt. Now we can see all the rows where Java was present, ignoring the case, were displayed. Here Java, like J was uppercase, V was uppercase. Here J was uppercase. So we can see all of those rows. Okay, again. Let's say I want to see the rows where a particular word is not there, but I want to see the remaining rows. Then I can do hyphen V flag. Let's say I want to ignore the rows where pass is present. Then I can give f1.txt. Okay. Now you can see the rows where like pass was not there were displayed. Let's combine both the things. Grep hyphen iv Java f1.txt. Now all the three rows where Java was there, ignoring the case, were displayed. Okay. One more thing. If you want to see the line numbers as well, you can give hyphen n. Let Java f1.txt file path. I can see. If I want to see all the Java thing, hyphen n I Java f1.txt, I can see all the rows where Java was there. Let's say I want to see the files, search in every files in my child directories. Okay, so as I said, this is my directory structure right now. If I give grep hyphen r means recursive, means whatever path I'll give, it will check all in that path and in the child directories path. Wherever the particular word it will find, it will display the file name. Let's say Java. I don't want to see, I want to ignore the case sensitivity. Then I can give dot slash. Now you can see all the files where Java was present can be visible. If I consider the case sensitivity, then I can just give Java dot slash. Dot slash means current directory. Okay. Means from current directory to all the child directories, every level it will find. Now only Java was there. Let's say you want to see if the word only present, like the word should not be subset of another word. Like here we saw Java was in JavaScript, Java was there, so we can see the JavaScript whole word. In that case, I can give the command hyphen W. Okay, and I want to also find recursively the word is Java, and here. Now we can see only the rows where Java was there, only Java, then it was displayed. So this is all about a grep command. So thanks for watching, guys.